welcome back to another video about the Asian fashion style. In this video, I'll be trying lots of clothes. Some clothes are from Youvimi.com, the link are in the description box. Same like before, I picked out some cute outfits and they sent me those outfits for free to review. I'm very excited to try on those new outfits. So the first one is the Japanese style sweater vest. The quality feels pretty decent. The size I got, it's small, but it looks like a lot bigger than I thought. It looks pretty big. Oh, I forgot to mention that I already washed all the clothes in the washing machine. It didn't ruin any of my clothes, so it's safe to wash in the washing machine. It's got a strawberry patch. Is this a patch or embroidery? It's a patch. So look the back. It's not embroidered. And it's no. It's embroidered, it's not a patch. The thread in the back and in the front feels like patch. I'm not really sure now. What does it say? Does it say strawberry? Can't wait to try it out. So what you can wear to go with this sweater. So you can wear a white shirt underneath and wear the sweater over it. And one more thing, this is a Japanese style bow tie and you can wear it over it. I got this bow tie long time ago. It's adjustable. Look, ta-da! You can adjust it. So it looks like that. And what to wear to go with it? Ta-da! A plaid skirt. So the material is a winter material. This will make a really cute outfit. Ta-da! I'm going to try this on first. This sweater is a lot bigger than I thought. Even this one is a size small, but it's not my size. I think I can fix it. If it's a size like that, it'll be better. But this size is just too loose. Yeah, if this sweater like that, it'll be a lot better. This outfit is like a Japanese school uniform. If it's getting cold, you could wear the jacket. It's super adorable because it's got the bow lining. This is one of my favorite jackets. It fits me perfectly and it's size small. Somehow it's getting very tight. I remember I was wearing this jacket like last year and I could buckle it up, but now it's getting smaller than before. Wow. I think I will unbuckle it. It's pretty tight. Maybe because I'm wearing a lot underneath. And this is outfit. You probably want to ask how about the legs. You could wear tights underneath or knee highs or thigh highs. It's up to you. Or just these socks. Is it pretty cute? A fall outfit. Really love the bow tie. Pretty cute. Next one is a sweet style bodycon skirt. A lot of bodycon skirt and bodycon dress are more sexy style, and this one really cute, super cute. And I got size small. It's pretty decent quality and the fabric is thick. It also has lining underneath. Oh, even the lining is pink, very light pink. And you can see the ruffles. Wow, and the cute bows. Very cute outfit. So this is the bodycon skirt. I could wear this with this blouse. This is the best lace blouse I have. I could wear this to go with this blouse. Or I could wear, ta-da! I could wear this blouse. That would work. And then I can wear the princess shoes. Color is not exactly the same. It doesn't match. I can wear the white one to go with that. Ta-da! Let me try it out. Very good quality. The shoes doesn't really match, right? I wish I have matching color pink high heels. Maybe I could try those pair of shoes. I think this pair of shoes might work. The color is similar. Try this blouse on and see if this blouse goes better with the pink bodycon skirt. It'll go pretty good. I think that white heels will match this outfit. think I like the pink blouse better than this one. So the next one is, ta-da, is a box pretty skirt. So this one is very unique. It's got the heart embroidered. Yes, it's embroidered on each box, not the back, only the front. I forgot to mention that the zipper is on the side. I love most pretty skirt, no matter what color it is. So this color is not exactly the pink like the picture. It's not pink. This is like, it's a little bit like off pink. Yes, it's not like the picture. The quality is pretty decent. I put it in the washing machine and wash it. It's still in good shape, pretty good quality. The lining is the shorts. So I just love those kind of skirt. So most short skirts has the shorts underneath. For the top, I will be wearing this one because it got red. I think it could work. So this style is like semi-formal and this style is more casual, like working out. It's like a tennis skirt, like a workout skirt. I'll try this one on. So for this outfit, I think the lace high heels will not work. I wear tennis shoes and the socks without the lace on it. This outfit is like I'm going to play tennis. It makes a really cute exercise outfit. So the next one is this navy suspender skirt. So the straps are detachable. If you want to take it off, you can take it off. It's got buttons to connect with the strap and the skirt. The pattern is very cute. So the pattern is whale. It's very cute pattern. So this pattern is embroidered in the front and in the back. You can hang up the chain any way you like. It's also got two straps, tie a bow, and the straps are also detachable. It's got the buttons. I really love the lace train. I actually ordered some of those. I plan to make some stuff. This lace train, I really like it. The zipper is on the side. It's also got the shred elastic. The straps is also adjustable. So for the underneath blouse, this is the original underneath blouse to match the skirt. I have a shirt that might work with this skirt. So this is my navy shirt. This is how the skirt looks like without petticoats. It's like this shape. And then I'll wear a petticoat underneath and to see how it looks. So I'll wear this petticoat underneath. Wow, this skirt looks so much better with petticoats underneath. This one looks better, very cute, and this top matches this skirt. So the next one is pleated skirt, and this one is more like a cool style. The pleat is very neat. The pleat is not wide, it's tiny pleats. This pleated skirt got no lining. I love how they designed the skirt. It has several sections with different patterns. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 different patterns on one skirt. The material feels not bad, it's not thin and it's not thick. There are 3 ways you can wear the skirt. You can wear this way, so it's this pattern or this pattern or another pattern. That's pretty interesting idea. I think I like this side a little bit better than this side. And this one is high-waisted. So the top I'll be wearing is black. So I have 2 tops here. One is got choker top. Another one is this top. Which one is better? It's hard to decide. I'll try down and see how it looks. So for the shoes, I'll wear this pair. So it's got plaid fabric, so it'll match the skirt, even though it's inside. is a pretty cute pattern, but I'm not 100% like this pattern because I have seen other strawberry patterns that's not better than this one. It's not bad, it's pretty cute. The design of this dress is very similar to Lolita dress. The front part is very similar, and the back is got the shred elastic, and the skirt part they gathered, and it's got ruffles in the end. So the strap is adjustable. So it's got 2 buttonholes. It has a cute bow in the front. So this dress has no zippers, but it will fit a lot of people because it's got the shred elastic in the back. So you don't need to worry about the size. I'll be wearing the black lace blouse underneath. I think it'll be a cute outfit. So I'll wear petticoats underneath. I wanted to wear these petticoats, but the dress is not big enough for this kind of petticoats, so I'll just wear a normal petticoat. And for the shoes, I'll wear these heels. I wish I had red socks. The black shoes is not bad. I really think a pair of red shoes will match this outfit more. I have 2 strawberry. This is the last item in this video. For this pair of thigh highs, I will get bright color shoes and dress. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and all the links are in the description box. I really love all the outfits, but not all outfits are completed. Please make comments which outfit is your favorite, and I will see you in next video soon. Bye bye!